This is sugar-free keto strawberry jam. 1.5 carbs per tablespoon. It's really easy to make. Let's make it. It's really hard to find sugar-free strawberry jam in the stores. I'm going to show you how to make it. Sugar-free, keto-friendly, 1.5 carbs per tablespoon. I've got some fresh strawberries and I've kind of cubed them up, as you can see. It's about 400 grams, about a little over 2 cups. I'm going to add in some erythritol. The exact recipe for this is in the comments below. So some erythritol, I've got 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put in better than stevia. I'm going to put in about 10 drops. A teaspoon of lemon juice. I put them into a little container like this. There's a teaspoon. And I'm on a medium-high heat. And let this go stirring constantly, probably for about 8 minutes, 10 minutes. There, those strawberries are breaking down nicely, and I'm going to thicken it up a little bit. I've got some xanthan gum, and I put it into an old spice bottle with the shaker lid on it, and I just want to put a little on the surface so it doesn't clump up. It's a great thickener. And we'll stir that in and go for a few more minutes. There, I like that. That's a nice consistency. It's still kind of chunky. It smells fantastic. Real strawberries. I've sterilized the jar and the filler and my spoon. It's supposed to make 250 mils, but I always find that when we make it, we get just like a little bit over, so I put it into a 500 mil jar. Well, that's perfect. That'd be really good on my scones or on cheesecake. Sugar-free strawberry jam. That was really easy to make. Thanks for watching.